Dumpster Rental Towson, Maryland. Dealing with waste can be overwhelming, but with Mac Dumpsters, dumpster rental in Towson, Maryland has always been challenging. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, spring cleaning, or a large construction project, our team is here to help. We offer a range of dumpster sizes to fit your needs, from small yard dumpsters for residential cleanups to more extensive yard options for heavy-duty tasks. Our streamlined process ensures a hassle-free experience. Select the dumpster size that suits your project, choose your rental dates, and provide your location. We handle the rest, ensuring prompt delivery and pickup. Whether you need a dumpster for yard waste, roofing debris, or office cleanouts, we provide affordable, reliable solutions tailored to your needs. With competitive pricing and exceptional customer service, Mac Dumpsters is your go-to choice for dumpster rental in Towson, Maryland. Call us at 410-205-5330 to get started today. Let us help make your cleanup easy and efficient.